He's a peeping Tom.
Hey! First off, my name's not Tom. Second, it's called bird watching. And third, you didn't see me here. Now scram. Hold up. That's Stetson's house. Oh crap. That was Stetson's parrot.
Hey, Artie.
Hey, Stetson, I just saw your parrot escape out your window.
Oh no, Paulie.
So, because I'm your best friend and I owe you, I want to replace him.
Oh, you're the best, Artie. Come on in, we'll get you settled.
Eh?
Music's most popular, talented personality.
Hey, what are you doing with that? Paulie want a cracker?
No, Polly does not want a goddamn cracker. Polly wants to watch Peaky Blinders.